Hi guys, I realized that using my cane, it was sliding, so my rubbers needed to be changed. So these are the type of rubbers I use on my cane. These are 7, 8, and 4 come in the pack, and my cane need 3. So these are they. Very small, so expensive nonetheless, but yeah. So I've already started removing the rubbers. Is there? Let me see. I've already started. So here you see. Okay. This one. This is how it is. I took the middle one off. And I'm taking out the one, because normally when it's like this, the centerpiece for it is within the cane. So here I am removing it. I'm using a scissors. So I'm right now I'm using the scissors to remove the center out of it. There are about 3 centers in there. Because I did not remove the previous centers out of it, so there previously about 3 centers in, and it's kind of difficult to come out, but it's coming out nonetheless. And there you go. That's the center. Oh no, it's not 3. There's one more in there. So let me try and get it to the top. So draining that out, and let's go digging again. Digging for gold. Don't say that, because I can't break my scissors. I need it. Why isn't it coming out though? Not that it matters. Or I could do this. Let me show you. It's an extendable. It's extendable. So I could take it. See? It's extendable. So I could take it out. Which I already did. Let's see if I can knock it down. What can I push in it? Any idea what I can push in it? A pen. Maybe a pen. To push it all the way down. Let's see. It almost got stuck in there. Oh, it came down a little. Came down a little, y'all. Alright, so let me see if I can push the scissors down on the pen for it to go down. Please don't cut me. Please don't cut me. No, that's not working. Oh, I just damaged my pen. Look, I just damaged my pen. Need a plan B. Be right back. So I'm going to try a different pen. This one is a little bit longer with the cover, so let's see if it will work. Need something to knock this. Oh no 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 no. Uh-oh. My pen is stuck.
girl.
Uh oh. So apparently it is stuck. Just called somebody, one of my co-workers, and she said that she'll bring a knife to me or something. So hopefully the knife will work to remove both of them. Oh, look, the pen is back. I did it, yeah. Perseverance. Did I ever tell you guys the story of how I received an award for my perseverance? I think I should show you. Have you ever seen my award? The place of my employment gave me an award for my perseverance while I was a student here. So I'm going to, I should do a video.
What is it? No knife too broad. Okay, go down that. What is it?
I'm trying to change the rubbers for the cane, and the bottom of it is within it. So I use the pen and I'm trying to push it out.
But you don't see this no level. No.
Yeah, I need to get like.
You need this level.
Yeah, cause it keep. But when the rubbers, I think maybe it's boring the rubbers. I need to get something to wrap it or stuff and then put the rubber on it. Cause I have to change rubbers like. So
you know I use it and you have to change it so
no,
often.
but Mrs. Maga, remember I live on a hill enough, so I have to change it often and it's quite expensive. Okay guys, so the pen is out. And I'm back to the scissors, but it just shifted. So I think it's almost out. As I was saying, I'm going to show you. Don't stop me.
Yeah, man.
Just stabbed me 2 times though. So I'm using the scissors and of course it stabbed me 2 times, but hey, I know it's risky, but perseverance. We're working with perseverance today, alright? So let me get this out. It's almost there. I can feel it, y'all. I can feel it. Yay. This is how Shandiz is truly crazy sometimes, alright? Don't judge me, please. But look. You can see, look, you can see it, right? It's right there. I can use my fingers to see, but it's not coming out with the fingers, so let me try again. Ooh, it's wet. It's wet, which means I left my stick outside the house and it was raining. So here you go. Perseverance. I persevered and it is out. So now, oh hell no.
Another one in there. Moving right along.
There's a 5th one in
Really?
There's a 5th one in there.
Or maybe a 6th.
You know who's not taking that down? How the hell am I going to take that down?
I'm gonna call Miss Morgan on you.
There's a 5th one in there, y'all.
Maybe a
Oh,
6th.
oh, I just knocked it and it came down. I can feel it with my fingers. So let me see if I can take that one out also. Ooh. I'm about to hurt myself, I swear. You don't have anything that's long that I can push it in there? So guys, I had a file jacket. This is a file jacket, eh? What do y'all call this plastic thing? It's a file jacket or a folder or something. And I'm using the spine of it. It's not round, but it should be long enough to reach down there. So I'm pushing. Please don't let it break.
Break.
I wish I knew it. Oh, it's working, y'all. Look. You can see it now. Hey, you can see it. I am am creative. I am creative, and I'm using my mind. So now I'm using the scissors. So
I make it jump. Or you could have just shoved it out.
to take it out, and I think the scissors is working. There you go. You see?
Push down the other side and make the other side pump out.
Now I want to do from this side because it might get stuck when you reach at the top of this because of blocked
No, I
in.
mean like push that one side and the other side flip out.
So the fifth one is out, and if you can see in it,
There's
I
a
don't know.
sixth
There's not a sixth one. So look, it's clear. That thing that you're seeing in it, it's actually not a rubber, it's just part of the stick. It came in there. So yeah, so now I need some tape to tape around these edges or to sand it down, which I don't know how to do myself, so I'll just use the tape. For right now I don't have any, so just put the rubber on. This is a new one. Just put the rubber on. There you go, a new rubber for and here you'll see. So now I'll just connect them. Press that button, put it back to this level. There you go, good as new.
No, it's not.
But I have to
Wrong
do
level.
the same.
One. Trouble number 2 is here.
We're here. Right here.
Still giving trouble number 1.
So now I'm going to repeat the process with this one. But the only thing is, there is only one in
Don't
it.
be so sure.
No, there is only one in
Don't
it.
be so sure.
I'm sure.
Don't be so sure.
Don't mind her. I can't. Have you ever had a pet that you've tried to get rid of but they keep coming back? That's her.
No, I ain't no pet. I'm a child.
She keeps coming back. A child is between 0
I'm a
and
child.
18-year-old.
I am a
See?
child.
Only one. So I put that down. My hands are messy, y'all. And I'll remove the rubber, the old rubber, and I'll replace it with a new rubber. Forgive me. Anyways, and now I repeat. There you go, just repeating the process. Is there. I'm gonna connect it to this one. Click. This one. For right now, I don't need to change the rubber. Let me show you why. Right now it's fine. I mean, it's almost there, and I probably should change it, but because they're so expensive to me, I prefer to use it until I have to change it. So I have about one more day walk or one more day use out of it, so I won't change it. I'll just change it tomorrow. And this one, I don't think there is any extra tips inside, so I just need to change it. But I do have the rubber for it. Have this one, and I have this one, because sometimes when I go in the bus, my cane will get itched somewhere in it, or in a car it will get itched, and I won't know that the rubber is not on it, because when it gets itched I'm trying to remove it, you know. so I wouldn't know that are stuck, I should say stuck, so I wouldn't know that in the process of trying to remove it, the rubber came off. So this is always a good thing for me to have a spare rubber, because yeah, when I get out of the vehicle and then I realize the rubber is not there, then this is a good thing to have. So it's clicked, and that's it. Both, all three rubbers are intact for now. Sometimes a rubber can last me a week or maybe 2 the most. It depends on how much I use the cane to walk, to support my walking, and if I'm in pain, then more pressure is placed on it, and that will cause the rubber to get worn out easily. But I like this. It's round seat, so when I open it, this is the front of the sticker. This is the front of the chair right now. Right here, my front is supposed to be placed there, and this is the back of the seat. This is the back, but knowing me, I don't have time to go over it, so I'll use this as the back of the chair. So yeah, so it's very handy, and part that I love, which you can see, this is adjustable, so the height can get longer or it can get shorter, and by longer or shorter, where is it? So for right now, it's at the second level, each of them. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, and I have it at the, depending on how you're counting, I have it at the second level for all of them. As you can see, all of them, this should be at the second level. So this is at the second level also. And that's it. This is my chair. This is my cane with a chair. So this, the middle piece, is the cane. This middle section here, as you can see, it goes all the way up. This is the cane. This is the cane, and this section here is the chair. So there you go. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Oh my god, my hands are so dirty. Can you see that? They're dirty. I will go and wash them soon, but thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're new here, please remember to like, share, comment, tell your friend to subscribe, and please remember also to subscribe. Thank you so much for my subscribers. If you're new, welcome, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.